In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fast travel animation in 10 minutes. Let's create a cylinder. In edit mode, Ctrl+R to create a loop cut. S to scale. Type 3 to face select. Let's select the bottom face, and type I as in India to extrude inward. E to extrude upward. In object mode, let's create a UV sphere. In edit mode, I'll remove the bottom half faces. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's subdivide the cylinder and put some loop cuts there as well. To edge select, and Alt-select the outer edge to select the entire loop cut. Ctrl+B to bevel and mouse wheel up to add more segments. Let's bevel the top and the bottom edge loops as well. I'll add metallic materials for both meshes, and Ctrl+J to join them. Let's create a plane R, Y, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the Y axis. Let's create a cube S to scale and S and X to scale on the X axis. Let's subdivide the cube. Time to turn off the scene's gravity, and increase the particle velocity. I'll limit the total number of animation frames to 100. Select the cube, tab, to go to edit mode, and rotate it like this. That's too bright. Let's unhide the spacecraft mesh, and place it in front of the particles. I'll use the orthographic camera. This animation is going to be 100 frames long. I'll set new keyframes at 1, 50, and 100. Then I'll move the spacecraft mesh on the Z-axis on frame 25 and 75, and keyframe them. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. The animation won't start nor end slowly, if we're using the linear extrapolation mode. Let's rotate the spacecraft the same way. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.